In the heart of Tuscany, where the charm of England intertwines with the sweet life, lies a story of a family's unique lifestyle. Imagine a farmhouse nestled in a medieval hamlet, surrounded by the breathtaking vineyards of Chianti, offering a magical experience for Lara Boglione, Giovanni Mazzei, and their 3 young sons. This family's journey began a decade ago when they settled into their charming farmhouse, bringing along their beloved pets and a sense of adventure. The boys, Achille, Leonardo, and Lepo, now attend school in Siena, and their days are filled with nature's wonders, from summer's ripe vegetables to autumn's mushroom hunts. It's a simple yet stylish life, embracing the seasons and creating unforgettable memories. But here's where it gets intriguing. The art of living well is not just a personal pursuit for this family, it's in their DNA and their professional lives. Giovanni, a 26th-generation winemaker, and Lara, the managing director of Petersham Nurseries, a renowned rustic-chic haven in London, have crafted a unique blend of Italian and English influences. When asked about the challenges of working for a family business, Lara shares her love for the time spent at Petersham, often catching up with her siblings. Giovanni, with a hint of humor, mentions the emotional conversations and the trade-off of duties for a modest paycheck. Their story continues with a romantic meeting in Florence, leading to a move to Italy and a new chapter in Tuscany. Achilles' arrival marked the beginning of their Italian adventure, with Giovanni's grandfather suggesting the idyllic hamlet of Il Caggio. Il Caggio is a gem within the Fontritoli estate, Lara explains. It was once a haven for seasonal workers, but we saw its potential. We chose a house that needed some love, and the rest is history. The farmhouse, with its local limestone structure, underwent a transformation. The upper floor, once living quarters for workers, became the family's cozy abode, while the ground floor was converted into a spacious kitchen and living area. We wanted to create a warm and inviting space, Lara says. The students' limewashing project gave our ground floor a unique, artisanal touch. And this is the part most people miss, the attention to detail. From the vintage finds at the Arezzo market to the handcrafted walking sticks, every element tells a story. The hallway, with its English country life vibe, showcases their love for the countryside. Collections of art and cookbooks, passed down through generations, adorn the house, reminding them of their roots. Giovanni's passion project, a small-batch Chianti Classico wine called Ipsis, is a testament to his dedication. The spacious downstairs kitchen, with its rustic charm, is where Lara whips up delicious meals, from tomato sauces to winter soups and chicken broth. It's a true family affair, with the kids enjoying tortellini in brodo. In the dining room, a lace tablecloth from Arezzo sets the stage for memorable meals. The Genevieve crystal chandelier, a gift from Lara's father, adds a touch of elegance. Indian paintings and Suzani cushions in the living room remind them of their travels and the joy of collecting. This family's recipe for the good life is simple: friends, family, and an appreciation for the little things. Their Tuscan farmhouse is a testament to the beauty of blending cultures and creating a unique, magical life. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate blend of English charm and Italian Dolce Vita? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.